Hey, it's getting to be sundown on the BBQ Rando Ranch, and I thought now would be the perfect time for sky bacon fireworks, mega black smoke. This says 60 seconds of dense black smoke. I gotta tell you, this thing is pretty heavy. Got a pretty nice tube, golden cover, right? Take a look here. There we go, flammable. Always gotta be careful with that stuff. You see where my thumb is, right? Light fuse and get away! Alright, so without further ado, we're just gonna drop this off over at the launch pad. Let's get some smoke going. Yeah. Alright, now you guys could do the counting. I'm just gonna do the watching. Here we go. Let's hope no one thinks the ranch is on fire. Oh. Whoa. Oh, oh, oh. Look. Oh, oh, oh. Woo. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, that was so flippin' cool. Scott Bacon, you've done it again. Barbecue.